Hello folks, welcome back to my channel Rides with Richie. I hope you're safe and well today. My name is Richard D'Souza and I make a few videos about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. This is my 2005 Honda VFR800 and I have been missing from action for approximately a month as of now. This bike had broken down and this video is about what was the reason for it to break down and what was the problem. So let's get to the point straight away and let me explain you what was the story behind it. So one day I wanted to make a vlog of Kinsale, so I was on the way and at a junction near my house over here, the bike stopped working. I tried to start it, it cranked a couple of times and then it died. It never restarted after that. I tried to jump start the bike using my wife's car. She came over to help me out and then it would start, but it would not hold the charge. So I knew that there was some electrical problem for sure. I was trying to analyze what is the problem. Here in Cork, as it is, there is a huge problem sourcing the parts because of Brexit and all that. So I was trying to get a mechanic. I couldn't find a proper mechanic. Finally, I found Pat Noonan. Hey Pat, in case if you are watching this video, thanks man for fixing my bike, and right now it's working brilliantly. So the problem here was the stator was fried on the bike. I'll put the picture up here just to show you what was the condition of the stator. I don't know what was the reason behind it being fried so badly. Apparently one of the connectors from the regulator rectifier to the stator was not greased properly. So for example, if I may show you over here, this is a brand new Tour Max regulator rectifier for the VFR800. So this connector, which was connected to the bike, this particular connector was not greased properly and hence there was a short over there and it would have fried the stator. So folks, why am I making this video and why am I saying this? It is very important that we do preventative maintenance on our motorcycles. I'm very sure why this motorcycle stopped working was because the preventative maintenance was not done properly. As far as I know, the stator on this motorcycle was replaced in 2019 and the person who put it back on did not grease the connectors and hence it caused me a lot of problem. I was out of motorcycle for a month and it costed me 500 euros. In case if you want to take care of your motorcycle, I would advise you on your off day, strip the motorcycle apart, go through all the connectors. If the connectors are on the verge of getting corroded, clean them out with a electrical cleaner and then use some electrical grease on each and every connector. It will take your motorcycle a long way. Right now this bike is running perfectly fine. It's working absolutely brilliantly. And about the VFRness, I did not replace the VFRness right now. I don't know it was done by the previous owner or what, but Pat says that the wiring was fine. It was working the way as it should. There was no extra resistance. And I was in contact with Kev's shed as well. Kev, in case if you're watching this video, thanks mate for getting back to me on time about the VFRness. And Kev says in case if you wire the connectors properly and in case if you grease them properly and once you change the stator and the regulator rectifier, there shouldn't be a problem. Sorry, that was a message from my work wife. Alright, so make sure that whenever you're doing any work on the bike, in case if you have the bike stripped apart, go through the connectors, grease them. And VFRness, I'm not sure, hopefully fingers crossed this should work fine. In case if it fails, once again I'll keep you updated any which ways. So thank you folks for supporting me so far. It's a pleasure to make all these videos and I'm sorry for not being in action. I was very disappointed that the bike was not working fine. I'm getting ready to go to work right now and I'm happy out. So guys, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and take care.